Hi and welcome in today's new video. Today I'm sharing 5 high protein, over 30 grams of protein breakfast idea to inspire you to increase your protein intake for breakfast. Some are sweet, some are savory. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Mistra. I'm holistic nutritionist and holistic practitioner. And on my YouTube channel, I share recipes to help people build muscles and lose body fat. On today's video, I'm sharing 5 high-protein breakfasts to inspire you to start your day with at least 30 grams of protein. So all the recipes are over 30 grams of protein. Everything of this recipe, all the ingredients that I use will be on the description box below. You also get my free guide to help you guys build a healthy plate, my coaching programs, and my books and ebooks are also available. If you do like this video, this kind of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start with my 5 high protein breakfast video. The first breakfast that I'm sharing today is turkey, ham, and egg cups. So into a muffin pan, I'm adding 2 slices of turkey ham. And just like that, and I'm gonna crack 1 egg on each turkey ham. I did slice some onions, so I'm adding some onions into the cups. And I'm adding some goat cheese. I'm cracking some peppercorns. And I'm adding some Everything Bagel seasoning. And this is how it looks before it goes in the oven. So now I put it in the oven at 350 for 20-25 minutes. Meanwhile, my turkey egg cup are in the oven. I'm adding some fruit, so I'm cutting some cantaloupe, and I'm adding on top of my cantaloupe some mint, just like that. And now that my cups are cooked, I just put them next to my cantaloupe, and I'm adding some Brazil nuts to get some seleniums. And here is the final result. This breakfast has 30 grams of protein. The second breakfast that I have to share is a sweet potato and ground turkey hash. So I'm starting by peeling and cutting my sweet potato. Then in a pan that I heated, I'm adding some tallow until the tallow gets melted. Once the tallow is melted, I'm adding some chopped onions. So I mix them and cook them until the onions is getting translucent. And then I'm adding my sweet potato on top. I mix both together. And then I'm gonna cover to let the sweet potato cook. Then I'm adding a little bit of water to cook the sweet potato faster than it will cook with the steam of the water. And then I'm adding some frozen bell pepper. I cover one more time. And then once everything is cooked, I'm adding my ground turkey. Around 4 or 5 ounces. So I'm adding some seasoning. I'm adding some allspice. I'm adding salt. And I'm gonna crack some pepper on top. I mix everything well to make sure they're well combined and to help the ground turkey cook faster. So in the plate, I'm adding some arugula. It's just to get some greens in for the morning. Then I put my ground turkey and sweet potato hash that's been cooked. And then I'm gonna top that with some feta cheese. So I'm adding a little bit of feta cheese on top. And here is the breakfast that I had. Once again, it's over 30 grams of protein and it was nice. And the third breakfast that I have to share is a sweet breakfast. So I had some bananas, high protein bananas peeled. So in a bowl, I'm adding around 200 grams of vanilla Greek yogurt. Then on top of that, I'm having 2 scoops of a whey protein powder. Then I mix both together, and then both together is over 35 grams of protein. So another high protein breakfast and yummy. So I find this really wrapped banana in my fridge that I know I had to use. So I cut the bananas in half. Then I put it into a plate and I pour my vanilla yogurt and whey protein powder on top of it. And then now it's time to add the toppings. So I'm adding some blueberries. I'm adding some pecans, some bee pollen, and of course I'm adding some chocolate chips on top. And here is over 35 grams of protein, sweet breakfast that I had to enjoy. The fourth breakfast is a quick and easy, well-balanced, high-protein breakfast. So in the pan, I add some butter until the butter melted. Then I crack 2 eggs on top of my butter. Now I'm just gonna whisk a little bit my eggs, just mix them a little bit with my fork, and then I'm adding a little bit of water, and then I'm gonna cover for like 5 minutes. Once my eggs are cooked as I wanted them to cook, I'm adding my seasoning. So I'm adding some salt and some pepper. But then I'm gonna take a plate and put my cooked eggs on it. Then I wash my pan one more time and I'm adding some butter again. And then I'm just gonna cook 2 organic chicken sausages. So I cook them and then I come back again. I flip them over to cook the other sides. And then once my chicken sausage are cooked, I just put them in my plate just next to my eggs that I cooked previously. And then I'm adding some Swiss cheese, some Emmental. And for my fruit to balance my plate and adding a little bit of carb, I'm adding a kiwi. And then yeah, here's another over 30 grams of protein that I had for breakfast. It was so satiating, well balanced, and really good. The last breakfast that I have to share today, it's a breakfast for the busy days. So in the bowl, I'm adding around 200 grams of plain Greek yogurt. I'm adding 2 scoops of whey protein powder. I mix both together for the consistency to be more homogeneous. And then I'm adding a banana. So I'm slicing up a banana on top of my yogurt. I'm adding some blueberries. And I'm just gonna chop 2 Brazil nuts. They're amazing for the hormones. So guys, eat some Brazil nut to get your seleniums. Then I put them into the bowl and I'm adding some bee pollen. I'm adding some black seeds on top as well. And here's this quick and easy breakfast. Over 35 grams of protein. It was yummy and filling. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys did love and enjoy watching it. So all the breakfasts that I did share are over 30 grams of protein. So I'm just gonna do the breakdown really quick. The first breakfast was turkey egg cups. So we got the 2 turkey slices for 12 grams of protein. You get the 2 eggs at 12 grams of protein as well. And also the goat cheese that I add was 6 grams of protein. So the first breakfast was already at 30 grams of protein. So the second recipe that I shared was also a breakfast at 30 grams of protein. I made a ground turkey sweet potato hash with around 5 ounces of ground turkey, which was 24 grams of protein. And I topped everything with some feta cheese, so for 6 grams of protein additional. So we end up this breakfast with 30 grams of protein. So the third breakfast that I did share on this recipe was a sweet one. So this, for every taste, you got savory and sweet breakfast idea inspiration on this recipe. And this banana split was at a 46 gram of protein. I did use around 200 gram of non-fat plain Greek yogurt, and I also have 2 scoops of grass-fed whey protein powder. So the yogurt was at 20 grams of protein, and the scoop of protein powder that I had was at 26 grams of protein. So that was a really satiating, high protein, sweet breakfast that I shared. Fourth breakfast that I did share on this video was a nice, colorful, balanced plate. So I scrambled 2 eggs, which was at 12 grams of protein. Then I cooked some sausages in butter. So the sausages was at 13 grams of protein, and I also add some Swiss cheese, was around 6 grams of protein. So this fourth breakfast was at 31 grams of protein. Another high protein breakfast to help you guys start your day eating high protein. And the last breakfast, the fifth breakfast that I share on this recipe, was a really simple, easy, and really high protein satiating yogurt bowl that I make really quick. So I did use 200 grams of low-fat plain Greek yogurt, so around 20 grams of protein, and I added 2 scoops of whey protein powder, and that was at 26 grams of protein. So this last bowl was really simple, high protein breakfast with over 46 grams of protein. So everything that I did use on this video will be on the description box below. You got all the ingredients, so don't forget to go and check. You also get my free guides where I teach you guys how to balance a healthy plate. You also get my ebooks, books, and coaching programs, so please don't forget to go and check. Thank you so much for watching my video. So if you do like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you again soon for next video. Bye.